In German, some adverbs go to the front of the second clause. Then the verb comes right after and the subject comes after the verb. This is the pattern. First clause, connector, then immediately the verb, then the subject. These behave like sentence adverbs. They change the usual order. The common connectors are deshalb, manchmal, sonst, dann, also, trotzdem. After these connectors, put the conjugated verb immediately after, then the subject. For example, deshalb, that's why, or therefore. Ich bin hungrig. Deshalb koche ich. After deshalb, the verb koche comes immediately, then the subject ich. I'm hungry, that's why I'm cooking. Another example, manchmal, sometimes. Er redet schnell und manchmal redet er langsam. He talks fast and sometimes he speaks slowly. You can put und before the connector. Und manchmal redet er langsam. The verb still comes right after the connector. Remember, if you use these connectors, deshalb, manchmal, sonst, dann, also, trotzdem, apply inversion after these connectors. Verb first, then the subject.